Hi Bellas, it's me, Shannon B for Brown Girl Bella, bringing you lips, lashes, and luxury. And today I'm gonna bring it back a little old school from when I first started this channel. I had a segment called Sample Saturday where I take all the samples that I get from my Ipsy, from Sephora box, from anywhere, and I put them all together and I try to do a full face using nothing but samples. So today I'm going to recreate that and give you a look into all of the samples that I just received. I'm going to put them on, give you some first impressions, and let you know whether or not they're worth spending your money on to get a full size. Let's jump into it. This is Sample Saturday. All right, so as you can see, I've already started work on my face. I've done my eyes already because I didn't have any samples that I wanted to share on eyeshadows. And of course, I wanted to throw on some lashes. So I'm going to start actually with some skincare. I got the C.E.O. Rapid Flash Brightening Serum from Sunday Riley. This is an under eye brightening serum. You can really smell the vitamin C in this, which vitamin C, just so you know, it does help brighten the under eye. So I'm just going to take a little bit of it and I'm going to tap it in and slightly work that product underneath my eye. I'm going to take my other ring finger and just lightly tap and work that product in. It's supposed to help brighten under eyes and any place where you might have some hyperpigmentation. So you use it morning and night. And I will put all of the product descriptions and the prices for them in the description box below, so make sure you check that out. Like I said, it is vitamin C. It's supposed to rapidly brighten the appearance of the skin and boost vitality underneath your eye in a flash. I don't know if it's a flash, but I can definitely feel that there's product underneath my eyes. It does feel a little bit heavy. And I love the smell. The smell is very citrusy, so you definitely smell the vitamin C. But we'll see. So far, it's not working in a flash because I don't see anything happening. We're going to try next the Peter Thomas Roth Skin to Die For. This is a no filter mattifying primer. And it's also supposed to be a complexion perfector. So I'm just going to put like a small dot on the back of my hand. And again, I'm just going to work that product in, focusing on the spots where I really am oily, which is my T-zone. So I'm just going to work that product in those spaces. And then I'll use the rest of it to just smooth out all over my face. Okay. So now that I've got that product in, I'm actually going to take a little bit of my Laura Mercier powder, which is not sample, but I do this before every application of makeup. I just want to lightly powder down my face where I put the primer, just to get it really matte before I put the skin tint on. So that's done. And today what I'm going to use is the Makeup Forever. This is the Ultra HD Blurring Skin Tint with Sunscreen. This is the one that I told you about before with broad spectrum SPF. So we're going to shake this up just to make sure the product didn't separate. And then again, I'm going to take a small dot of makeup. Just about that size. I'm going to put it all over and then using my kabuki brush, I'm just going to work that product in. I don't want to work it in circular motions just to distribute the product evenly. Now remember, this is a skin tint, and I don't need a whole lot of coverage, or I don't want a whole lot of coverage. So I'm just using a kabuki brush just to work that product all over and just lightly cover the face. All right, so now that that's worked in, I'm going to use my other product that I got as a sample. This is the Benefit Gimmie Brow, and this is in the number 5. So I'm just going to use that, the mirror, just to touch up my brows. I actually did my brows and my eyes off camera, but I did want to use the Gimmie Brow on camera so you can see how it works. So again, if you want to keep like a natural brow, this is perfect for that. Especially, like I said, these are all summer friendly products. So if you're going out and about and you just want a very light beat, or if you want to focus on your eyes like I did today and keep the rest of it pretty neutral, then you know, you would do a Gimmie Brow or a product like that just to comb up your eyebrows and make them look done but not overly made up. Okay, so the next product I want to use is a bronzer. This is Too Faced, and this is the Chocolate Soleil in medium deep. And bronzers, this is the color. And bronzers aren't meant to really deposit a whole lot of color on your face. It's really meant to just warm up the face. And I love this product because it really does smell like chocolate. It's really nice. And like I said, it doesn't give you a whole lot of coverage in terms of depositing a whole lot of color, but it does help you to just warm up the face a bit. And again, we're keeping with this natural theme, very light colors, very, you know, friendly, warm tones. Next product I'm going to use is a blush. This is by Tarte. I haven't used a Tarte product on my channel in a little bit. This one is called Feisty. So that's what that looks like. I'm just going to grab a blush brush and put a little bit of color on there. And just warm up those cheeks. Next, we're going to do some highlight. And for highlight, I'm going to use Hustler Baby by Fenty Beauty. And that's a sample that I got recently. The excess. Last but not least, we will find a lipstick. Okay, this is called Liquid Velvet, and this is in the color Diva. So I'm just going to line my lips first, and to do that I'm going to use the NYX lip liner in, what color is this? Plush Red. So it's Plush Red. So last but not least, I'm going to fix with a little NYX Mattifying Mini Matte. This is the setting spray. And now I'm ready for the slow-mo. All right, so let me break it down for you which products I would definitely go full size on and which products I would pump my brakes for. So first and foremost, I want to say, although I love this Skin to Die For, I have to try it a couple more times before I say whether or not I want to use it. I want to like it. I really do, especially since that other one that I really love is $52. I'm not trying to spend $52, but I have to try this again. This first impression, I like the way it feels. I like the way it goes on. It looks like it really filled in my pores, but I'm not sold yet. So that's a maybe. Also a maybe, which I really thought I would love and would really like, the Sunday Riley. Although I love the smell and I loved how it glided across my skin, I feel like the product is a little heavy. Which I don't know whether that's a good thing or a bad thing. So I will continue to use this morning and night, and I'll let you guys know what I think moving forward. But first blush, first impressions, I'm not really sold on it. The one that I really loved was one that I demoed a few months back, and I actually did get a full size of that. That's the Clinique Pep Start. Great product. Love that wholeheartedly. Would definitely endorse that product. Not sure yet about the Sunday Riley. Jury is out there. Also, another product I wanted to really love, but I'm not really sure, is the Makeup Forever Ultra HD Perfector. I have to say, I had tried this earlier. In all honesty, I had filmed this before and it didn't hold up. It didn't hold up at all. So hopefully this will hold up. I'll be on Snapchat a little later on today, so I'll definitely show you guys how the product is wearing. If you don't follow me on Snapchat, here's my Snapchat here. Be sure to follow me on that so you can get behind the scenes, know when I'm uploading, know what I'm doing, when I'm not sitting here talking to you guys, because I'm trying to put new content on there daily. So hit me up on there and let's be friends. The next product I want to say I love, and I definitely will get a full size of this. It's the Gimmie Brow by Benefit. You guys know I stand for the Cabrow. I love Cabrow. I also get the Cabrow in number 5. So I was really happy that I got another Benefit product in the same number that I use, because they say you're supposed to continue to use that product. So they have like a line in different numbers, and I think it goes from 1 to 6 or 1 to 5. I'm not really sure. But 5 is the one that I use, and the Cabrow is wonderful. and now I got a new friend in the Gimmie Brow. So those are the products that I liked. Sorry, unfortunately, there weren't a whole lot of ones that I said yes, yes, yes. Oh, and before I forget, okay, so this Ciate Liquid Velvet, I love the color. It's a really true bright red, but I have other bright red colors. I'm not crazy about the applicator. I didn't like that doe foot. It looked weird and it felt weird going across my lips. And it feels a little drying. It feels like it's like sucking all of the moisture out of my lips. So I really feel like I have to, when I take this off, really moisturize and baby my lips, because I feel like it's being beat up by this product. So not crazy about that one either. So unfortunately, this was not a great sample Saturday in terms of products that I love. Out of the products that I tried, I only love one that I would get a full size for. But that's why we do these, so you can know which of these samples are really worth the time and the effort to spend your money on. So hopefully you like it, Bellas. I do have a contest, a giveaway that's going on. It's starting right now. Today is the first day. All you have to do to enter this is be subscribed to my channel, leave me a like and a comment down in the comment section below, and also follow me on my Instagram. My Instagram handle is right here. It's Brown Girl Bella, same as the channel. And the giveaway consists of lips, lashes, and luxury. So what that means is I'm giving you a bunch of different lip products, high end, low end, medium end, you name it. It's in there. It's about 30 different lipsticks. So have had it, go ham. I'm also going to send you my favorite mascaras and my favorite lashes. So in that you will also receive high ends, low ends, lashes, mascaras, you name it, it'll be in there. Some of the ones that I've featured on this channel already, so you already know what you're gonna get, if you're watching my channel, that is. So don't forget, all of the description, all of the information about the giveaway will be in the description box below. So make sure you check that out. The contest starts today. It'll run for a month, and then I will choose the winner. The winner will be announced here on this channel. So you need to be subscribed. Don't forget to tap that notification bell so you'll be notified each and every time I upload. And you might want to stick around for the next few videos, because I will be debuting in each video what will be in your giveaway, so you don't want to miss it. All right, guys, until next time, this is your girl Shannon B for Brown Girl Bella, bringing you lips, lashes, and luxury. Until next time, besos.